Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today is the opening night of the NBA for the 2025-2026 season. Two games highlight this opening day. Oklahoma City Thunder celebrate ring ceremony, banner unveiling, and double overtime win over Durant's Rockets 125-124. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander powered the team with 35 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Chet Holmgren had 28 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, and Kasun Wallace added 14 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, 4 steals. While for the Houston Rockets, Alperen Sengun was on fire with 39 points, 11 rebounds, double-double, 7 assists, 2 steals. Kevin Durant had 23 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, and Amen Thompson chipped in 18 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. Thunder fans got everything they wanted on Tuesday: a ring ceremony, a championship banner unveiling, and a win over ex-Oklahoma City Thunder star Kevin Durant. OKC shot 46 of 104 or 44.2% from the field, 13 of 52 or 25% from beyond the arc, and 20 of 25 or 80% from the free throw line. They had a total of 39 rebounds, 29 assists, 11 steals, 4 blocks, and 11 turnovers. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, the reigning MVP, hit 2 free throws with 2.3 seconds remaining and the second overtime to give the Thunder a 125-124 win. It was just the sixth time an opening night went to double overtime and the first time since 2005. Durant fouled Gilgeous-Alexander with the Rockets leading 124-123 in the second extra period. The crowd cheered as Durant exited the game with his sixth personal foul. On the other hand, Houston shot 43 of 97 or 44.3% from the field, 11 of 39 or 28.2% from beyond the arc, and 27 of 31 or 87.1% from the free throw line. They had a total of 31 rebounds, 23 assists, 6 steals, 5 blocks, and 21 turnovers. In our second game, Luka scores 43 but Butler's Warriors top Lakers 119-109 in a LeBron-less season opener. Jimmy Butler carried the team with 31 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. Stephen Curry had 23 points, 4 assists, and 3 steals, and Jonathan Kuminga dropped 17 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists. Luka Doncic 43 points, 12 rebounds, 9 assists, 2 steals performance weren't enough to secure the win. Austin Reeves finished with 26 points, 5 rebounds, 9 assists, 2 steals, and DeAndre Ayton had 10 points, 6 rebounds. No other Lakers player scored in double figure. In this game, Warriors shot 38 of 78 or 48.7% from the field, 17 of 40 or 42.5% from beyond the arc, and 26 of 29 or 89.7% from the free throw line. Warriors largely shut down the Lakers apart from Doncic, who scored 40 points for the 47th time in his career and the third since joining the Lakers. Curry began his 17th season with just three-pointers while ceding major offensive roles to Kuminga and Buddy Hield, who hit 5 three-pointers. Butler made all 16 of his free throws, and Steph hit a three-pointer in the final minute for his first points in the fourth quarter. LeBron James missed a season opener for the first time in his 23 years in the NBA, watching from the Lakers bench. The top scorer in the league history has Shatika that is expected to sideline him until mid-November. Lakers shot 42 of 77 or 54.5% from the field, 8 of 32 or 25% from beyond the arc, and 17 of 28 or 60% from the free throw line. And here are the NBA regular season games scheduled on October 23, 2025. Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers will visit Karl Anthony Towns and the New York Knicks for their opening game in Madison Square Garden at 7 a.m. Philippine Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. LaMelo Ball and the Charlotte Hornets will start their season campaign against the visiting Brooklyn Nets, led by Cam Thomas, in Spectrum Center at 7 a.m. Philippine Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Tyler Hero and the Miami Heat will face Franz Wagner and the Orlando Magic in Kia Center at 7 a.m. Philippine Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Trae Young and Atlanta Hawks will play the visiting Toronto Raptors, led by RJ Barrett, in State Farm Arena at 7:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Tyrese Maxey and the Philadelphia 76ers will visit Jaylen Brown and the Boston Celtics in TD Garden at 7:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Kate Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will match up against Nikola Vucevic and the Chicago Bulls in United Center at 7:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Ja Morant and the Memphis Grizzlies will square off with the New Orleans Pelicans led by Zion Williamson in FedEx Forum at 8 a.m. Philippine Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Bilal Coulibaly and the Washington Wizards will battle Giannis Antetokounmpo and the Milwaukee Bucks in Preserve Forum at 8 a.m. Philippine Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Lauri Markkanen and the Utah Jazz will take on the visiting Los Angeles Clippers, led by James Harden, in Delta Center at 9 a.m. Philippine Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs will go up against Dallas Mavericks, led by Anthony Davis, in Americans Airlines Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Domantas Sabonis and the Sacramento Kings will battle Phoenix Suns, led by Devin Booker, in Mortgage Matchup Center at 10 a.m. Philippine Time or 10 p.m. Eastern Time. The Minnesota Timberwolves, led by Anthony Edwards, will compete against Portland Trail Blazers, led by Shadon Sharp, in Moda Center at 10 a.m. Philippine Time or 10 p.m. Eastern Time. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.